Angela!
We warmly welcome you all to the exclusive gathering that we officially unveiled for the newest innovation in smart mobility. So, a lot of things are going on. Thank you for spending your time with us. My name is Toki, your host, and we'd like to extend our sincere appreciation to everyone here for today. Maraming salamat po for making time for us today. Our executives, our partners, our media friends, give yourself a round of applause. And of course, to our influencers and to our valued guests, maraming salamat po for coming, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the afternoon with us. Now, your presence makes this milestone even more important. Now, of course, for today, we introduce a product that's designed to redefine what exactly mobility is all about. This is all about convenience, innovation, and the modern travel experience of the Airwheel S3 SE SX.
To showcase to you is something new, is something innovative that we believe that continue to elevate our travel experience. From convenience, security, and smart technology that have become more essential, that's exactly this launch is all about. Our team would like to present to you a new addition, a new smart luggage that's added in our aerial family. It's a new sleek design, a lighter one, and more connected than every more become.
In three, two, one, there we go! Say hello to the Airwheel SE3SX. Welcome to the future of smart mobility. Now,
Models kasi natin, you need to use your both hands para i-lift pa siya. Pero ngayon, you just need to press this, and then upusan na po siya. Ayan. For those who don't know how to control air wheel, kapag pinindot niyo yung right, magpo-forward siya, and then left, magbe-brake siya, and then kapag sabay niyo po siyang pinindot, magbo-backward siya.
Reverse, yes.
So, ang ano po nito, ang bigat po niya is 6.6 kilos lang po. So, pasok siya sa overhead bins or hand carry without the battery po. Kasi yung battery po natin is removable naman po siya, and then nagiging power bank po. Pwede niyo siya gamitin as power bank since ipapatanggal din siya sa airport. Ayan. And then yung mga battery natin is triple C naman siya. So, approved siya ng mga airlines. And then, aside from this, pwede nyo siya i-connect sa app, Airwheel app. And then, pag i-connect nyo siya, ayan, may ganitong lalabas. And then, ang kinagandahan ng SE3SX, pwede nyo na siyang i-fold and unfold sa app.
Hindi ako mamaya.
Ayan. Using the app, pwede nyo na siyang i-fold and unfold. And pwede nyo din kontrolin yung ano niya, yung kung ilan yung speed niya. Pero yung top speed ng SE3SX natin is 9.9 kilometers per hour. And then, ang isa sa pinakamagandang feature ni SE3SX is pwede na siyang ilagay sa Find My sa mga Apple devices po natin. So, kapag ilalagay niyo siya, under items lang, mag-a-add lang po tayo ng items. Other supported items, and then after success, malalagay din na po siya. And then sa Find My din po, pwede niyo po siyang ipa-ring din po. Aside from the app, pwede niyo po siya i-ring, then malalocate niyo na po siya.